Looking for your next barkada or family getaway? Heto na! Maraming comfy rooms, fully equipped kitchen, may videoke, billiards with a view, outdoor cinema, pool with jacuzzi, kawa bath, wide garden space, may pavilion pa for your events. I'm telling you, this is the kind of peace we all deserve. Kaya naman, saan tayo today? Hey Wanderers! Nandito nga tayo ngayon sa The Villa de Vera, located sa Sitio Aguhan, Puting Kahoy, Lian, Batangas. Isa ito sa mga perfect getaway spots kung gusto mo magpahinga, mag-relax at mag-enjoy kasama ang pamilya, barkada o workmates. Pagpasok pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung fresh and peaceful vibes ng nature. Napapalibutan ng mga puno at halaman kaya super presko sa mata at nakaka-relax sa pakiramdam. Isa sa highlights dito sa The Villa de Vera ay ang 6 feet swimming pool. Perfect para sa swimming, bonding at chill moments. At kung gusto mo ng extra relaxation, meron din silang jacuzzi. Ideal for unwinding after a long week. At ito na nga yung Ate Kim natin. Boom! Little Mermaid na ngayon. Char! At kung gusto mo naman ng unique at relaxing experience, try their Kawa Bath. May free 1-hour use pa na included sa stay nyo. Perfect for that nature-inspired spa moment. Habang nakasalang ka nga ay mapapasabi ka na lang ng a well-deserved break talaga to. Ngayon naman, silipin natin ang mga room dito sa The Villa de Vera. Magugustuhan niyo to kasi bawat kwarto ay maaliwalas, malinis at may sariling charm. So let's start! Unahin natin ang master's bedroom. Ito ay good for 2 to 4 packs, air-conditioned at may sarili at malaking toilet with shower. Perfect to for couples or small families na gusto ng privacy at comfort. Next, ito naman ang room A. Good for 6 packs. Air-conditioned din siya at may bunk beds. Ideal for barkadahan or big families. Super spacious at dahil nakaayos ang kama, komportable kahit group stay pa. Tamang-tama para sa mga mahilig magkwentuhan hanggang madaling araw. Ito naman ang room B. Good for 5 packs. Cozy at air-conditioned din. May wooden bunk beds na nagbibigay ng rustic and cabin-like feel. Perfect for kids or smaller groups. And last, itong room C. Good for 6 packs, air-conditioned at may sariling toilet with shower. Ito naman ay mas modern in design with a warm color palette na nakakadagdag sa relaxing mood. Kung 1 to 10 packs kayo, 2 rooms ang bubuksan para sa inyo. 11 to 15 packs, 3 rooms na. At kung 16 to 20 packs naman, bubuksan na nila lahat ng 4 rooms. Isa pa sa maganda dito, may fully equipped kitchen. Kompleto na sa gamit, kaya pwede na kayong magluto ng sarili nyong pagkain. Perfect lalo na kung gusto nyo magtipid o mag-enjoy ng home-cooked meals habang nagbabakasyon. At hindi lang yan, ang dami ring pwedeng gawin dito sa The Villa de Vera. May outdoor cinema kung saan pwede kayong mag-movie night under the stars. Imagine watching your favorite film habang nakaupo sa garden. Sobrang chill! May video ka din para sa mga beshi nating mahilig kumanta. Pwede ka rin maglaro ng dart, billiards o kaya naman ay magmuni-muni dito sa taas dahil sa napakagandang view dito. Kung may special celebration naman, meron silang pavilion area. Spacious, covered at perfect for weddings, birthdays, reunions, family or team gatherings. Ang ganda rin ng garden area surrounded by lush greenery, perfect for coffee mornings, nature walks or photo ops. Kung chill mode lang ang hanap mo, meron din silang Wi-Fi and Netflix access. Pwede kang mag-binge watch o kaya mag-scroll muna habang nasa duyan. Sa gabi naman, pwede kayong mag-bonfire, kwentuhan, marshmallow roasting, acoustic jam sessions, the perfect way to end your day dito sa Villa de Vera. Accessible sa sasakyan ang villa. May free and wide parking area rin sila. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang rates. For numbered rate, up to 10 packs, 7,999 kapag Monday to Thursday check-in, 8,999 kapag Friday to Sunday or holidays. At kung gusto nyo ng unlimited packs rate, 14,500 Monday to Thursday at 15,500 naman Friday to Sunday and holidays. Included na dito ang mga sumusunod. At kung gusto mo pa ng extras, meron din silang add-ons. Sobrang sulit lalo na kung group staycation ang hanap mo. Overall, Wanderers, sobrang ganda ng experience dito sa The Villa de Vera. It's the perfect mix of relaxation and fun, tahimik pero hindi boring, private pero may complete amenities. From the comfy rooms, relaxing kawa bath, to the outdoor cinema and videoke nights, lahat ng moments dito guaranteed memorable. Every corner of the Villa de Vera feels special, from the warm sunlight in the morning to the cool breeze at night. Dito mo marirealize na minsan all you need is a peaceful place, good company, and a little bit of nature to recharge your soul. Quick travel tips para sa inyo wanderers. Mag-book in advance dahil mabilis mapuno lalo na kapag weekends. Bring your own food or ingredients since may kitchen naman. Bring your own toiletries at kung marami kayo, bring extra plate, cup, spoon, and fork. Don't forget your camera kasi bawat sulok dito ay picture perfect. So ayan wanderers, that's it for today's adventure here at the Villa de Vera. If you're looking for a place na relaxing, fun, and sulit sa budget, add this to your next staycation list. Don't forget to follow the Villa de Vera on Facebook for bookings and inquiries. And syempre, follow me for more travel spots, food trips, at hidden gems dito sa South. Explore more, appreciate the little things, and always find joy in every journey. So alam niyo na, see you here, wanderers!
Si Cherry Wonders ito, tara na, kain na. Mahilig gumala, cafe at kainan pa. Ayan, travel, food trip, budget friendly. TikTok finds, Shopee, Lazada, slay your eyes. Sa bawat lakad may saya at kwento. Kasama si Cherry, let's go! Kaya naman, saan tayo today? Fine. Alam nyo na